Hi guys, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to create a bucket part using Creo parametric. So we are not going to use these dimensions because in this drawing most of the dimensions are missing. So I'm going to take this diagram as a reference and then we are going to make our part with our own dimension. Okay, so let's get started. But first, we need to select the working directory. So yeah, I'm going to select this as a working directory. And then click on new and click the default template and yeah, let's enter the part name as bucket model. Okay, so here like we can select uh, our default template as MMNS part solid ABS. Okay, so let's get started. So to start our sketch, so I'm going to create this base part first. So for that I'm going to use the revolve option here. Okay, so let's select the front plane. Let's go for the sketch and then go for the sketch view. So here I'm going to create a center line here, which is must while using a revolve tool. Or else like if you forgot to use the revolve tool, you can directly select the axis. Like if you go for the revolve tool, this axis will appear there. You can also select this center line again into the revolve tool. Like if you have placed your center line like this, it will be automatically revolved. We don't have to select the center line again. Okay. So I'm going to create a center line like this. Okay. Then yeah, then create a line like this and another line like this. Okay, let's put some dimension for this line. 135. And this must be bigger, right? 179. Yeah. And then this height value, like let's check whether they have provided any height value for this 312. Okay, like 312. Let's take this as a height value. Okay, we have created here. So now I'm just going to merge these two lines. Okay, and then we can develop this, but we need more feature. Like you can see the bend here. We need to create this. Okay, so for that, like yeah, we can use constructive mode for that. Okay, uh, yeah, I'm just going to create a profile like this for me as a reference for me. Let's go for the dimension. I need this length, like yeah, I'm going to take it as a value of 10 here, and then this will be 15. And now I'm going to create, I guess, sorry, I'm going to turn off the constructive mode, and then I'm going to create a line here with a distance of 5. Okay, yeah, good. So we have completed here. So then we can directly create an arc between these two. So I'm directly going for the 3-point tangent end arc and directly merge this. And if you want, you can also change this dimension of the radius of this arc as it is placed on the midpoint is 10. Like let's delete this. I need this value to be a different value. Okay, so I'm not going to place it with any coincident relationship. And now I'm going to enter an angle of 8 here, but it is not good, right? Mm, okay, let's delete this and go by a arc. Sorry, yeah, can go by a arc which meets here. Okay, let's check the radius value. Okay, 10. It's okay for me. And then I'm going to make this as a thickened part. So for that, go for offset, chain, select this, control key plus select this. And I need this offset value as a value of 2 here. Oh, sorry, it's taken the outside of this. So we need to put negative value for that. Yes. And I forgot to see the direction of the offset. Okay, it is towards outside, outwards, so we have to put the value as negative values. Then we can close it. Now we can merge these two lines here. and this line. Okay, now let's delete the unwanted segments here. And what else do we need to add here? Yeah, okay, we have completed this, so we can close our sketch. Let's see. Yeah, it got appeared as a pink color, so it's nothing but we have completed our sketch without any like dimension error or without any these sharp corners. Okay, so we can just go for the revolve. Click on OK. Let's go for the revolve. Okay, we good. I think it's okay for me. Let's click OK. As you can see, it is full of solid. Go for the shading with edges. As you can see, it is full of solid. So let's make it as a shell. I'm going to create like a hollow surface here, and let's add a value of 5 mm for the thickness, and then click on OK. Okay, so we have done our first base part. So now we have to create a couple of parts for the handle for this bucket. Okay, so for this, I'm going to create a hook on the surface, on the middle of the surface. But before that, we need to create a plane for creating our sketch, right? So let's go for the plane. I'm going to select this plane as a front plane. So either you can drag like this, but we need to know the exact value of this, like yeah, like 180 minus 176.53. Okay, I have calculated this value. Either you can go for the you can go for the top view and you can check whether it is on the center. Okay, it is center. Okay, let's click on OK here. And now I'm going to sketch on this new plane. So go for the sketch on this new plane. Okay. So here at first we need to take a reference on which surface we are going to create our sketch. Okay. At first I'm going to create a line here and one more line here with the equal length. So let's adjust this height. This height value, I'm going to enter it as a value of 10 here. So this distance 6, this distance 6. Okay, so now I'm going to create a circular arc here. You can either go for the circle, but I'm going on with this arc. Okay, yeah, good. Like we have completed our sketch. Okay, let's click OK, and I'm going to create a solid part. This is going to be a sketch part, right? So we have to convert it as a solid part. So I'm just going to select the sketch, go for the sweep, and the start direction. It's okay for me. Either you can start here or here. Okay, anyway, it is going to be end. Okay, go for the sketch and then go for the sketch view. Here, like we can give profile for this 3D model. Okay, I'm going to add a diameter value of 4 here. Let's check whether it is created. Oh yeah, it's good. Okay, so let's click on OK here. Now I need to do the same for this side also. So either you can do it like for another time for your practice, or else like you can directly select these two and directly go for the mirror. Like this center plane is created. Okay, so then click on OK. So then we have created a hook here, so we need to create a handlebar which is connected to this hook. Okay, so for that I'm going to click on this plane, which is nothing but the right plane. Go for the sketch and then go for the sketch view. Okay, so here at first, like we are going to create a bend like structure here. So for that, what are all the difference we have needed, like this and this center point, and on the other hand like the same we have needed. Okay, okay, done. Like yeah, let's go and place a point here which is like similar to this center point. Okay, and then I'm going to add a dimension for this point. So from this plane to this point is 25. Okay, it's okay for me. So I'm going to place the point which you have placed for the previous side. Either you can use this tool. As you can see, it is got a coincident or it's like a straight line indication here. Okay. So we have completed our points. So at first we can create this art feature here like this. Yeah, I'm going to use this center line, which is nothing but the reference of these lines. Okay. Okay, I'm going to close it. I think it is okay. If you go for the sketch view, yeah, yeah, it's fine for me. Okay. So here you need to create a hook-like structure here. So yeah, for that we have already selected the center point here as a reference circle. We can draw like this, which has a coincident relationship with this line. Let's press the escape key. Let's see radius as 9. Yeah, it's okay for me because we can't be able to change this radius as we have placed the center point here and we have also got the coincident relationship with this line, so we can't be able to change. If we need to change this radius or diameter value, you need to delete like yeah, this coincident and then you can able to change, because if we have placed the center point and like a radius, like we have created a constructive line for this, right, as a point. Okay, so I'm okay with this. And then we need to, I don't want it as a full circle, I need it as a like a hook like structure. So for that I'm going to create a point on the circle. Let's go for the dimension, and then from here till here. Okay, I need it as a value of 4. Let's see whether it is okay, or else let's go for the 5. I think 4 is okay for me. Okay, so I'm gonna just leave this. Then let's delete this segment. Okay, and then what else do we need here? Okay, we can add a fillet for this. Go for the fillet, select here, select here. Okay, let's add, like, let's edit this radius value as 3. Yeah, it's okay. Looks good, right? Okay, so we need to repeat this on the other side. Either you can do it for the one more time for getting practice, or else you can directly select this, go for the mirror, select this central axis, and you can see the part is created here. Okay, so you can see here that extra the line has been created. Yeah, so there is only one point here, but here you can see one more line here. Let's delete this. Okay, yeah, so we have completed the sketch, and then let's click on OK. Okay, so now we can go for the sweep tool and let's provide some profile for this sketch that we have done here. Okay, so let's draw a circle. I'm going to use the same dia which I have used for these. Okay, so I think 4 is okay. Let's click on OK and let's see whether it looks good. Yeah, it looks good. Either if you need to change this, you can go for the sketch. Let's try with a value of 5. Then okay. Yeah, I think it good. Looks good. Okay. So let's click on OK here. Yeah, guys, like we have done this part. Okay, what else do we need to add in this part? Let's hide all those data planes first and let's check. Yeah. Okay. Oh, okay. And for this bottom, we can also add some edge feature. Like in that real bucket, you can able to see some rounded edges here for placing this bucket. Okay. So let's switch on all those data planes. Okay. I'm going to select this right plane or either this front plane. Okay, I think it's okay for me. Let's go for the sketch, and I'm going to take reference for this. Okay, it's okay. Solve. Okay, and one more reference for this reference circle. Okay, so here either we can add a 3-point tangent arc like this, or like let's create a circle. Okay, a point circle like this. Okay, let's adjust this value of yeah, it is okay, but it is too like too bulged on this bottom. Let's create okay, or else let's create this value as a negative value, -1. Okay, yeah, I think it's good. Okay, let's add some more dimensions like from here till here. Let's add a value of 5. Okay, and then I'm going to draw one more line like this. And then let's go for the delete segment. I don't want this. Okay, so it's okay for me. Now let's create a center line. And let's go for the revolve. Let's see how this part has been created. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, it looks good. Good. Okay. Okay. Now I'm going to create this rib again for the center one also. So let's go for the select the front plane again. Go for the sketch and go for the sketch view. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So here I'm going to take this reference and okay, I don't want this reference. Okay. Directly we can go for this creating the circle. I don't want this tangent coincidence. And this length as 1 and this radius value as 8. And yeah, we can draw a line like this and delete segments. Okay. Okay, here I'm going to add a value of 50. I think it's okay, or else you may have value of 60 here. Okay, let's create a center line for the revolve. Click on OK. Okay, let's go for the revolve. See how it exactly looks like. Yeah, okay. Yeah, it's good. Good, okay. So that's all, guys. Like we have created our part. Either we can change this, I think so, for the sketch. Okay, let's increase this value as 15. Let's see how it looks like. Yeah, I think it's okay now. Okay, so let's add some more appearances for this part. Okay, so let's go for the view. I'm going to give some different color for this part. Okay, let's give this golden color for this part. Okay, for the entire part, then click on OK here. Go for the shading with reflections. Okay, so yeah, that's all, guys. Thanks for watching. So if you want more videos related to Creo or Power BI or any kind of 3D modeling softwares, like you can comment below. Okay. And if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. Like we will upload videos on a daily basis, not only on Creo. Like we will upload on like based on Power BI, okay, like a data visualization software. If you don't watch those videos, kindly go and watch my channel page, and you will got some idea about those softwares. Okay. So it will be very helpful for you guys if you are going to work on any organization. Okay. So that's all, guys. So thanks for watching. Like we will see in next video. Until then, bye.